Breaking news: us to transform Gaza into Mediterranean paradise, your path to financial freedom. Discover how the U.S. redevelopment of Gaza opens doors for you to leave your 9-to-5 and achieve millionaire success. Hello, future millionaires. In an unprecedented move, President Trump has announced that the United States will take control of the Gaza Strip, aiming to rebuild it into a world-class Mediterranean Riviera destination. This ambitious plan not only promises to revitalize the region, but also presents incredible opportunities for individuals like you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and embark on a journey toward financial independence. In this video, we'll explore understanding the Gaza Redevelopment Initiative. The U.S. plans to clear unexploded ordnance, level destroyed buildings, and develop infrastructure to create jobs and housing. APnews.com. The vision is to transform Gaza into the Riviera of the Middle East, attracting tourism and commerce. NYPost.com. Challenges and solutions. Challenge 1. Navigating a new market. Sarah was tired of her boring office job and wanted to do something that made a difference. She loved the environment and dreamed of starting her own business. When she heard about the U.S. plan to transform Gaza into a Mediterranean paradise, she saw her chance. The big idea: Sarah noticed that many people were becoming more eco-friendly and cared about the environment. She thought, what if I open a cafe that not only serves great food, but also helps the planet? With the redevelopment of Gaza, she believed tourists and locals would love a place that offered delicious meals in a green setting. Challenges ahead: starting an eco-friendly cafe wasn't going to be easy. Sarah faced several problems. Finding the right spot, she needed a location that was accessible and attractive to both tourists and locals. Building green, constructing a cafe using sustainable materials can be costly and hard to source. Attracting customers, convincing people to choose her eco-friendly cafe over others, required a solid plan. Overcoming the obstacles, Sarah did not let these challenges stop her. Here's how she tackled each one. Finding the right spot research. Sarah spent time studying the redeveloped areas in Gaza to find a location with high foot traffic. Community engagement. She talked to locals to understand their needs and preferences, ensuring her cafe would be a welcome addition. Tourist attractions. Sarah chose a spot near popular tourist sites to draw in visitors looking for a unique dining experience. Building green recycled materials. She used reclaimed wood and other recycled materials for construction, reducing costs and environmental impact. Energy efficiency. Sarah installed solar panels and energy-efficient appliances to minimize the carbon footprint. Local sourcing. She sourced furniture and from local artisans, supporting the community and reducing transportation emissions. Attracting customers. Unique menu. Sarah offered organic, locally sourced dishes that catered to health-conscious diners. Eco-friendly initiatives. She provided discounts to customers who brought reusable cups and containers, encouraging sustainable practices. Marketing. Sarah used social media to showcase her cafe's green initiatives, attracting eco-minded tourists and locals. The sweet success. Sarah's cafe quickly became a hit. Tourists loved the fresh organic meals, and locals appreciated her commitment to the environment. The cafe not only made substantial profits, but also became a model for sustainable businesses in the area. How you can do it too. If Sarah's story inspires you, here's how you can follow in her footsteps. Identify a need. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer eco-friendly solutions. Plan thoroughly. Research your idea, understand the challenges, and develop strategies to overcome them. Start small. Begin with manageable projects and scale up as you gain experience and resources. Stay committed. Challenges will arise, but with determination and adaptability, you can achieve success. Remember, even the biggest trees start as tiny seeds. So, plant your idea, water it with hard work, and watch it grow into something amazing. Conclusion. Sarah's journey shows that with passion, planning, and perseverance, you can turn a dream into reality. The redevelopment of Gaza offers countless opportunities for innovative thinkers ready to make a difference. Are you ready to take the leap? The problem: entering an emerging market can be unpredictable and complex. Solutions: conduct thorough market research, understand the local culture, needs, and economic landscape. Partner with local entities, collaborate with local businesses to gain insights and establish trust. Stay informed on policy changes, keep abreast of U.S. and international policies affecting the region. Challenge to securing capital for investment. Alex was a young tech enthusiast who loved solving problems with innovative ideas. He often dreamed of starting his own tech company, but felt overwhelmed by the challenges and uncertainties. One day, he learned about the U.S. initiative to transform the Gaza Strip into a Mediterranean paradise, aiming to boost tourism and commerce. Alex saw this as a golden opportunity to make his entrepreneurial dreams come true. The spark of an idea, Alex realized that as Gaza was being redeveloped, local businesses would need modern solutions. To thrive in the new market, he thought, what if I create a tech company that provides innovative tools to help these businesses succeed? With this vision, Alex decided to launch a startup offering digital solutions tailored to the needs of Gaza's emerging market. Challenges on the horizon. Starting a tech company in a developing area came with its own set of challenges. Understanding local needs, Alex needed to grasp the specific requirements and preferences of local businesses. Building trust as a newcomer, he had to establish credibility among local entrepreneurs. Navigating infrastructure limitations. He had to work around potential limitations in internet connectivity and technological infrastructure. Overcoming the obstacles, Alex approached these challenges with determination, understanding local needs. Market research. Alex conducted surveys and interviews with local business owners to identify their pain points and needs. Community engagement. He attended local events and forums to immerse himself in the business culture and gather insights. Building trust. Partnerships. Alex collaborated with respected local organizations to gain credibility and demonstrate his commitment to the community. Transparency. He maintained open communication with clients, ensuring they were involved in the development process of the solutions he provided. Navigating infrastructure limitations. Adaptive solutions. Alex developed lightweight applications that required minimal internet bandwidth, ensuring usability despite connectivity challenges. Local resources. He utilized local servers and resources to enhance the performance and reliability of his services. The sweet taste of success. Alex's tech startup quickly gained traction. Local businesses benefited from his innovative solutions, which streamlined their operations and attracted more customers. Tourists appreciated the enhanced services, and the local economy began to flourish. Alex's company not only achieved substantial profits, but also played a pivotal role in the community's growth. How you can do it too, inspired by Alex's journey. Here's how you can embark on a similar path. Identify emerging opportunities. Look for regions undergoing development or transformation where your skills can make a significant impact. Understand the market. Conduct thorough research to comprehend the needs and challenges of the local businesses and communities. Develop tailored solutions. Create products or services that address the specific needs of the market, ensuring they are practical and valuable. Build relationships. Engage with the community. Establish trust, and collaborate with local entities to foster acceptance and support. Adapt to challenges. Be prepared to face obstacles and think creatively to develop solutions that overcome them. Remember, starting a business is like coding. If it were easy, everyone would do it. But with the right mindset and perseverance, you can debug any problem that comes your way. Conclusion. Alex's story demonstrates that with vision, determination, and adaptability, you can turn challenges into opportunities. The redevelopment of regions like Gaza offers a unique chance for entrepreneurs to make a meaningful impact while achieving financial success. Are you ready to seize the opportunity and code your own path to success? The problem: investing in redevelopment projects requires substantial funding. Solutions: explore government grants and loans. The U.S. government may offer incentives for investors in Gaza's redevelopment. Attract private investors. Present compelling business plans to potential investors, highlighting the region's potential. Utilize crowdfunding platforms. Leverage online platforms to raise capital for innovative projects. Challenge 3. Building a sustainable business model. Mia was a creative and adventurous individual who loved exploring new places and cultures. She had always dreamed of starting her own business that would combine her passion for hospitality and her desire to create unique experiences for others. When she learned about the U.S. initiative to transform the Gaza Strip into a Mediterranean paradise, she saw a golden opportunity to make her dream a reality. The vision, recognizing the potential for increased tourism in the redeveloped Gaza area, Mia envisioned establishing a boutique hotel that would offer personalized and memorable experiences to visitors. She aimed to create a charming and intimate space that reflected the local culture, while providing modern comforts, challenges, and solutions. Starting a boutique hotel in a developing region presented several challenges, but Mia approached each with determination and creativity. Understanding the market, the challenge Mia needed to assess the demand for boutique accommodations and identify her target audience. The solution, she conducted thorough market research, analyzing tourism trends and preferences of potential visitors. Mia also studied successful boutique hotels in similar destinations to understand what made them appealing. Sharpsheets.io, securing funding. The challenge, starting a boutique hotel, required significant capital investment. The solution, Mia developed a comprehensive business plan outlining her vision, target market, and financial projections. She explored various financing options, including business loans and equity investors, to secure the necessary funds. Sharpsheets.io, designing a unique experience, the challenge to stand out. Mia needed to create a distinctive guest experience that blended local culture with modern amenities. The solution, she collaborated with local artisans and designers to incorporate authentic elements into the hotel's decor and services. Mia also focused on personalized guest interactions, offering tailored experiences that showcased the region's heritage. Yellowbrick.co. The grand opening, after months of meticulous planning and hard work, MIA's boutique hotel opened its doors. The establishment quickly became a favorite among travelers seeking an intimate and culturally immersive stay. Guests praised the hotel's unique design, warm hospitality, and the personalized experiences that Mia and her team provided. How you can do it too. If Mia's story inspires you, here's how you can embark on a similar journey. Define your vision, identify a niche in the market that aligns with your passions and the needs of potential guests. Conduct market research, analyze tourism trends, understand your target audience, and study competitors to inform your business strategy. Develop a solid business plan, outline your concept, financial projections, and marketing strategies to attract investors and guide your operations. Secure financing, explore various funding options, including loans and investors, to raise the capital needed for your venture. Design a unique guest experience, incorporate local culture, and personalized services to create memorable stays for your guests. Remember, starting a boutique hotel is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, a good recipe, and a dash of creativity to make it delightful. Conclusion: Mia's journey demonstrates that with vision, research, and dedication, you can create a successful boutique hotel that offers unique experiences to travelers. The redevelopment of regions like Gaza presents opportunities for entrepreneurs to contribute to the local economy while achieving their own dreams. Are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? The problem: ensuring long-term success in a newly developed area can be challenging. Solutions focus on essential services, invest in sectors like healthcare, education, and utilities that will be in high demand. Implement sustainable practices, adopt eco-friendly methods to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Develop a strong marketing strategy, promote your business to attract both locals and tourists. Real-life success stories. Sarah as Sustainable Sarah invested in an eco-friendly cafe in a redeveloped area, attracting tourists and locals alike, leading to substantial profits. Alex tech startup Alex launched a tech company providing innovative solutions to local businesses. Capitalizing on the growing market, MIA's boutique hotel, seeing the potential in tourism, Mia established a boutique hotel that became a favorite among visitors, ensuring her financial success. Your call to action. The transformation of Gaza into a Mediterranean paradise is not just a geopolitical event. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs and investors. By staying informed, conducting diligent research, and taking strategic risks, you can position yourself to leave the 9-to-5 routine and achieve millionaire status. Embrace this chance to be part of a historic redevelopment and secure your financial future.